Hi, my name is Mandeep and welcome to my channel. I make handmade jewelry and accessories for my small business using beads and charms. So as you can already tell and guess by the title of this video, this is my first time making a beaded bracelet, and how crazy is this, me actually sharing my first time trying this out on YouTube. So you're actually going to see me struggle, make mistakes, and even maybe do great. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I'm literally just going to be testing out the size, wrist size, the beads, the tools, and learning how to tie a knot using this elastic string. This is going to be a pretty relaxed, cozy vlog, so enjoy, and I hope that this video helps you in some sort of way. And just to give you a heads up, I'm probably going to be speaking what I'm thinking throughout this video. Enjoy. Decision. I should have actually done like the bigger beads, because these are a lot more bigger, right? These are really tiny, like really tiny, and I actually didn't think they would be that tiny. I should have actually timed how long this would take me. I mean, I've got those needles threading beads, right? So maybe I should have used those, but it's okay. Oh wow, okay, I'm holding it the wrong way. Whoop, I was about to fall. It's making me feel hot. Maybe if I just put a few in one go like this, that'll be easier. Like that. And then just hold it there and then put a few more. This elastic is actually really strong. It's really good. Stretchy as well. So it's 3:13 p.m. at this time. Let's see how long it takes me. I mean, like I said, this isn't the easiest way I have chosen to make a bracelet. It would have been a lot more easier if I had used the needles. I will show you what I'm talking about, just in case if you're not quite sure. That looks pretty cool, hey? Hey, this on my wrist. You like that? That's nice. I like it. So I've measured the 17 centimeters, which is medium size, wrist size. So, and I think I kind of left a bit of extra thread. So let's see. I was actually going to add in the black and gold ones as well, but then I thought, it'd be nice to just do a plain black beaded bracelet. It also reminds me of, I had a black tourmaline beaded bracelet, which was really thin as well. The beads were pretty small. And this, even though this isn't crystals or anything, but it just kind of reminds me of that. Looking good. You're gonna definitely need some more. Let's take some out and put them here. I'm gonna just take this off. Okay, that was pretty easy. There we go. Okay. Oh, wait. If I tie this, we're just gonna see how this goes, okay? I don't even know if I'm doing this right. We're gonna tie and then tie again. Oh, this is so tricky. I'm gonna just make a knot. Okay, there we go. That's a good knot. And then, so that's done a pretty good knot, right? But then I want to just do some more just in case, because we want it to be secure. We don't want it to break or anything, you know what I mean? Not even break. I don't think this will break. It would just, oh, I was going to do double. Even if, look, I stretch it, it's pretty good. All right, here we go. I don't know how close I meant to cut this. I meant to cut this pretty close. I don't even know. We're learning here, we're learning. This is how it looks. You know what, it is a bit tight now. Oh god, that is a bit tight. Maybe we should add it some more beads. Okay, well for next time we know we need to add a bit more beads, but that's what it looks like. Let's see if this is a small. Well, small is a 15, so yeah, I would say that this is pretty much a small. But this is what it looks like, which is pretty cool, but it would have been better if it was a bit loose. First bracelet made for the first time. It took me about 30 minutes, I think, but we started before that as well, so I would say more than 30 minutes. Wow, that took a while, hey? Since then, I've been working with more beads and making more bracelets. So let me show you the ones that I have made, and I will put in some clips as well of me making some more beaded bracelets. So here they are. Just about the sizing though, like I'm still working on getting the right sizes. This is my favorite one so far. Got that pearl effect to it. I did like a stack of silver bracelets. So you got the pearls, and then you have, it's got a heart and a bit of silver beads, and these are just different silver beads. I add another silver and black bracelet into this gold one that I made, but stacked with the 222 as well as the pearls. See, this is a bigger size that I've made, but this was just me playing around with sizes. But yeah, like I'm getting the hang of the sizes now. This is our friend that you already know of. Then I made another one which has got a bit of the gold in it, which is really pretty as well. Getting ready to start stocking up and yeah, for purchasing.